How to be a sponsor on Cashapp. So Cashapp allows teenagers between the ages of 13 and 17 to use the platform, but they are legally required to have an adult over 18 sponsor their accounts. Becoming a sponsor gives you the ability to monitor transactions, set spending limits, and manage allowances. So the most common way to become a sponsor is by approving a request sent directly from your teen's app. When they look up the details and hit send, an alert will map to your profile. Open Cashapp and tap the Activity tab, which is the clock icon located in the bottom right corner of your screen. Then you just look for a notification labeled Request Approval and tap View. Cashapp will display a legal breakdown explaining that as a sponsor, you are the legal owner of this sub-account. Review the terms and conditions, scroll to the base, and tap Accept. The minor's account will unlock instantly, allowing them to order a debit card or send peer-to-peer payments. If your teen hasn't set up their accounts yet, you can initialize the sponsorship yourself from your own control hub. So to get started, just select I'm a parent or guardian. If you haven't completed your own identity verification yet, Cashapp will prompt you to enter your legal name, date of birth, and all those kind of details. Then guys, once verified, you can just look up your teen by typing their hashtag, and then just tap their profile to send the invite, and they will receive a link to connect under your direct management profile. So that's it. This is how you do it. Enjoy as always, and thank you for watching.